In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Webflow template. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, creating a Webflow template can be a rewarding experience, and I'm here to guide you through the entire process. Let's begin by creating a new project. Start by logging into Webflow, and once you're in, click on New Site. At this point, you can decide whether you'd like to start from a completely blank canvas, giving you total freedom over your design, or choose a base template to build upon, which can help you hit the ground running with some predefined structure. Once you've got your project set up, it's time to design the core pages that will form the backbone of your website. You'll want to create essential pages like the home page, an about page, a services page, a contact page, and optionally a blog page if you plan to include dynamic content. Make sure to incorporate reusable sections and maintain consistent styling throughout your site. Consistency is key to ensuring your design looks professional and cohesive. With your core pages sketched out, the next step is to build reusable components. These components include a navbar, footer, CTA sections, testimonials, cards, and forms. By creating components, you make your template easier to maintain and customize, which not only saves time in the long run, but also keeps your designs looking clean and organized. Now it's time to set up a style guide. This is an often overlooked step, but it's incredibly important for maintaining design consistency. Create a page within your project dedicated to your style guide. This should include your color palette, typography choices, button styles, form elements, and examples of spacing. A well-crafted style guide aids users in understanding and modifying your design system with ease. If your template is going to include dynamic content, consider adding CMS collections. This step is optional but very useful if you plan to create a template that includes blog posts, team member profiles, project showcases, or testimonials. Create CMS collections and link them to your design with collection lists to bring your template to life with dynamic content. Before you finalize your template, it's critical to make sure it's responsive. Check your design on various devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones in both portrait and landscape orientations. Adjust layouts, spacing, and typography settings for each breakpoint to ensure your template looks beautiful on any screen size. Next, optimize your template for performance and user experience. Remove any unused classes to keep your project tidy. Compress your images for faster load times. Add SEO settings to make sure your pages are discoverable by search engines, and ensure all links work properly. Also, make sure to use meaningful class names to keep the structure understandable and maintainable. Before publishing, it's imperative to thoroughly test your website. Preview all pages and interactions to ensure smooth navigation, form functionality, proper CMS integration, correct animation operation, and optimal mobile layout performance. Finally, it's time to publish your site or reuse it. You can publish the site for your own projects, or if your template meets Webflow's standards, consider submitting it to the Webflow marketplace. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Webflow template. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.